fail you because it's too rusty?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Yeah. You said the power steering went though, right?
Yeah.
I'm about to say, you ain't gonna be able to make it to this, though. They might pass you. It might only last like a year or two, though. Yeah, both sides. Oh. Trying to see, because it's only kind of like your frame is still there intact. It's not that rusty.
That's where it comes, right? If the frame is bad, then they won't.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. They might just pass you. Oh. What you said? The
power steering.
So what you been saying, though? Damn.
All of it. All of it.
That's the power steering.
That's all of it. Yep. I work 2.5 miles away. On my way home, it was whining. And as soon as I pulled in, the steering locked. So I made it.
It's just been locked on you ever since?
Yeah, I haven't driven it, nothing since. It's empty. I filled it. It leaked out completely.
Yeah, it's all around the shit too.
I went. Have you ever heard of Stewart's Pond? Probably not, because it's up here. It's in the woods. So it's like a spot where you can pull up and enjoy the water. But there's no path. It's like woodsy and roots. And I had to have two guys lift the front of my car because I had a root. So I don't know if I put a hole in the hose underneath. Anyway.
You can see like fluid coming from right here.
That's power steering?
All that is around it.
I don't know where it came out of. I have no idea. I just know that I seen the puddle underneath.
Look, it ran up from here all the way around. And then some right here too. You probably gotta just replace this.
So I'm hoping that that's all I need and it's not like a pump.
Yeah, and then these two hoses, maybe.
I'm just hoping, but I'm
gonna look though to see if it's leaking from anywhere else, but that's where
I still
this
have
look like
more
anything.
fluid if we need to add. You know, I got.
Yeah, but let me see the fluid.
It's in the front seat on this side.
Yeah.
The one is open.
Yeah,
One is open. I just don't know.
Yeah, I got it. I'll check to see if it's leaking.
It's definitely.
No, yeah, it's definitely.
I think it leaks as soon as I turn the car on. I don't think it leaks.
Yeah, it wouldn't be.
It
wouldn't be dripping out when it's coming out off.
Did I really leave my screwdriver here? I couldn't get it open up.
You're a
first.
mechanic too. So that's the only thing? Just the power steering?
For right now, yeah. That is why I haven't driven her in a month because of this.
Alright, but I'll check it real quick. Put my car on. Cut this bitch off before I break down out here. Where's my flashlight? Damn. Huh? No, I'm alright, thank you though. I gotta learn how to drive a manual car, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I can't even fuck around and touch drive this shit if I wanted to. But we got license plate again. We got a Volkswagen Jetta 2.5 SC. Excuse me. Let's see the year. I remember the year, but I don't remember off the top of my head. 2011. Alright. Customer claims is leaking power steering fluid. This is, oh! Let me put that up there. The hose from the power steering has old power steering fluid on it. But I'm trying to see if it runs anywhere else. I mean, if we replace this, it should stop leaking. I think that might be it. Yeah, if I only came out here that way and found that's easy. She said it was squeaking. Serpentine belt is good. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back. I never seen something like this before. I turned on the car and the motherfucking power steering fluid just turned foamy, milky. Like, this is definitely a crack or something. Oh, look. It's definitely a crack or something in the reservoir and the hoses that's leaking. But what the fuck? Well, we definitely found our culprit. This is OD. I honestly would tell her. Oh, how is it now? How the fuck you zoom out? Oh, I don't know. This new camera shit is crazy, but damn. Let's see if I can get it far away. Try to run the. So I followed the hose from the fucking power steering down, and look at this shit, y'all. This shit is a. It had to be leaking for a while. This shit is covered in power steering fluid or oil. I'm thinking oil. There's no way this is all power steering. What the fuck? All this shit is covered. The oil pan looks like it might need to be nah, it's not replaced. I don't even fucking. The whole shit is covered. It goes all the way back. Nah, I'll tell her that. I ain't gonna lie. She might just have to chalk this up. Damn. I'm just like, jeez, look at this shit. I don't even know where you start from. I would start by probably like even trying to clean this down. I don't even know. Remove the hoses and replace the hoses. But what the fuck is making the engine leak like that? I'm gonna try to take a picture and show her. Not gonna lie, girl. Honestly, oh, this side is dry. A little bit. There's still some going back there. I might just tell her. She might not even have to fix this shit, bro. As bad as this shit is, and rusty it is, she only gonna last like 2-3 inspections. Look at this shit. Both sides. I wouldn't put no money into this. She's better off just getting a new car. This shit is cooked. Look how much oil or transmission fluid leaked out. A whole fucking puddle.